arukhayo ubutumwa bwo mu kitambo cya misa cyo mutana hishomero rya Bonconsil Girls Vocational Secondary School muri Singiro. Reverend Father Julius Zakamukama nagira ngo mu buhangwa bwo mu kazi abo mu Curezi.
There are so many things that distract us. There are so many things that we want to derail us. There are so many people that we want to derail us. But the issue is remain focused. Remain doing what you are supposed to do.
Each one of us here has a responsibility. You are a student, you are a teacher, I'm a sister, that one is a priest, you are a family member, you have a responsibility. The easiest thing you can do is to avoid it, but you will never avoid the consequences.
Oghona behanangirizo kwe hari umurembe gw'amasumu na za social media bakahamira umukushoma kwavo.
Keep the attitude of continuous improvement. Keep that attitude of continuous improvement. Always, each one of us, let there be a habit, an attitude of continuous improvement.
And we promise that we are going to do our best to excel academically, excel in co-curricular activities and all corners of life, because our mission is to raise a responsible citizen, and that's what we are doing.
Mukuru w'ekigombe cy'abasista babikira Mariya Muhabuzi umurunja bambara Reverend Sister Grace Chomugisha omukuganiraho n'abeje hamwe n'abegesa bashabira ukamera mu mukama hamwe no kubabe micwe.
If you have values, you can be sure that this world, you can eat the world and you leave it behind for others.
Omuganda makuru Sabadikoni wacanya katoro muri Nyavare Bushenyi Reverend Canon Bethel Namara arabwira abebembezi b'amadini okutamana iminjo mu kuhumuriza abicariza ku rwo mu byensi ubwagumize ngo rahangana kira byona.
So kwe kunyura abantu abakristayo bamwe bijo mu kanisa bashitama edakigikuru n'itano zawa ese banyurura ibatwara abandi basishari bagenda n'abamwengi tubakijura hina bakwisha ngombe n'ibishomoro baza kwishomora batandika kubura agenda mukama tujurire babazi ikigambo cya Ruhanga icyo cyabire kiyabo umuntu kikamuha direction.
Omukushabo kona habire muno mukoro gwo kushitamisa mukuru w'abakristayo Emmanuel Mubanjiza hantebe otwira umwoga gwo kwebembera Sabadiko nobu
arihindura mu mingi ina yicurwa mu 16 mukurahira ko narahira irizoba umurundo gundi okubortindo hagati y'abakristayo n'abahereza mu makanisa
mwene korayi yowe kuri kumutekatekaho edetaje namutekatekaho ndiba eshocu eshikurwa kahe so mwakire mubukunde ukudari barukundo etaba rukundo yo buryaje mwakire mubukunde aso kumukundisa rukundo rukurwa kahe amutima
namba no mukore bizobe ine cyumwara cyahinduka ko kabatumira abatumira ine cyahinduka ko namani b'urusheki abo kuzo mu ndetse tujyati komuka isiyo no komukasa abo kubeketa mu buyonjo na yitera kubonera none bo bari turete ro buyonjo no tete yonja komuka sima munonga
mutoragana sa umwizina rya mukama ifwe nk'abacara bakakoma tutumurye nyuma tuza kwatansa nawe umugentunguka umukombeka enji yarhanga umukora bucumwe cona icyo kwetengeza ahabwisa bwite
ahabwa TV West nde era akiza na Abraham Muganzi.